So these are the kit. If you want a new one, there's a set kit like this. This is not a sponsor video. You can buy it anywhere, super cheap or something like that.
Okay.
So that's all the thing there. And this one is separate. So
Oh, you got a tube.
let's go into the tire.
Well, we obviously had a nail in it.
There's a nail on it.
Which I've now pushed through.
Oh my gulay. So basically all you need to do is, this is a kit, it comes with it. There's some duba bag here. There's a little tiny split there. Just push it.
Yeah, first you bore out the hole and clean the hole.
Yeah.
Then you put that plug through that bloody eye there and that big needle.
Yep.
And you push it right in, and then you pull it out, and it cuts it. It cuts it and plugs the hole, leaves it inside.
Yeah.
Pull it out.
There.
Yeah.
Demonstration coming soon. You start to bore it. You can hear the crunch of some metals on the tire, rubber tile. Usually they have metal thread. Okay.
There's obviously metal in there. It's a little shiny.
Yeah.
Like wire, braid.
Okay. It's about 1 inch.
No, I went right through. Righto. So,
And that's what? Glue.
yeah. So I don't know how to do this.
Rubber cement. For use with patches, plugs.
Well, these are plugs.
It won't fix any issues if it's duba bag. But it will harden.
Well, it's glue. It'll glue things together.
Okay.
All right.
So
Yeah.
there you go. Punch it right in. Not right in, just a little bit in. Oops, yep, that's the
Alright.
thing. Oh, that's good.
Well, that's what they reckon.
Yeah, so
So,
if you have a force like me, I think you cannot do it because it's pretty hard, you know.
yeah.
But if you have,
All right. So
a
we've
little bit of muscle.
I've got to trim that off.
Yeah, okay. That's the
this-
sharp one. We just
Oh, just
there's
reach-
another little bit
Oh,
here.
no, you don't get too paranoid about that.
Okay,
Okay.
let's clean.
All right. So we put the plug in the hole,
Yeah.
and we've left it for 10 minutes. So now we're just going to put air in the tyre, and we'll leave it for a couple of hours while we go inside and have a cuppa or something.
Good. How much you want to put in here?
I'll stick 50 in it, and we'll see if it holds 50. They normally run at 40. Okay. All right.
Okay.
We'll come back in a couple of hours. Ciao for now.
So we check this tire. The pressure is still on. So now we're gonna put it on the car. So we got this excavator. We just put some chain in there and lift it up with the excavator.
All good?
Yep.
Okay.
To dramatize. But just see. Yep, it's up off the ground. Yes, it's up off the ground. So we're gonna do it now.
I'm too tired. Alright. Okay.
Now it's your turn to do the Ta-da!
We didn't have breakfast today, so we have to have milk. Oh God. Okay. I can't see where the... Yeah, that's right.
Yep, up a little bit. Okay, yep, right. That's good.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
And then
Give me some nut
put
there.
a nut up the top.
This is different. Oh my gulay.
Started. Let me try it. You didn't get it going.
Yeah? Okay, I did it now.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, the hydraulics leak a bit, so she's come down.
Won't go anywhere.
Huh?
So right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just got it. It's too high. Okay, that's it. Ding ding. Dung bat, ding ding.
chain.
What happened there?
That's it there, is it?
No. Still there. Ding ding.